Hello, I'm talking about the next method. That is the method 4. It's called using compatible numbers. This method, I think, in all the methods of estimation is the most difficult one. Because you need the sense of the number. So you should have some sense of the number so that you can use this method well. How does this say? For example, 26 divided by 2.95. If I want you to calculate this number, you may need a lot of work, right? These two numbers cannot divide so easily, right? So the method, the concept of using compatible number is that we change the number a little bit such that it can be calculated more easier. Okay, we want to calculate more easier. How can we calculate easier? For example, for the denominator 2.95 is not beautiful, right? To become easier to calculate, we must change to 3, right? This one I think most of you can think about is 3, right? I think none of you may think it should be changed to 10, right? For the numerator, there is 26. If you use 26, the problem is that these two numbers is not divisible by each other because 26 does not have a factor of 3, right? So we do not have 26. The one that nearest to 26 and can be divided by 3 should be 27, right? Because we know that 27 divided by 3 will become 9, right? So we will choose these two numbers, that is 27 and 3, such that the number will become more easy to calculate to become 9. That's why I say this method is very easy, but very difficult to use because you need to have some sense of numbers. So I give you one more example. For example, this one, 0.333 times 9.1. For example, this one. Okay. And first of all, 0.33. If some of you have some sense of number, you know that 1/3 is about 0.33333. Yes, these are recurrent decimal. Infinitely many 3, right? So in fact, this one we can use to be estimate to be 1/3, right? Just nearly the same. For this one, for 9.1, of course, we will say it's easy to calculate when we change to 9, right? So this part should be used this symbol. And then you can see, this time 1/3 and 9 can be cancelled by 3, so we can get the answer 3, right? So we can get the answer by using the compatible numbers to make the calculation more easier. Okay, I'm going to show more example in the later video. Please have a note.